Okay, so very important for you to make your feet very beautiful. So we're gonna connect net to net, net to net. So the position super close. One knee bent, one knee straight. From here, we start from our stomach. Stomach like is in. Activate your hip with the circle. Now that will straight your knee. Now here, very important. Pivot your right foot, and as you land, ball heel. Readjust your other foot. Yeah, very good. Again here. Stomach, hip, knee straight, pivot, and then slowly land. Two. Go. 30. 4. Try not to go from the side. Try to go from the front. From the front, from this part. Right. Go. 2. And readjust your foot to make sure toe bone here touching another toe, and net to net. Very good. Now when you dance with the partner, what connection use? Table is the best connection. Table. Man is a table. You use a table to use your timing even more. Go 2. 30. Forward. 2. 30. 4. And very important, as you activate your timing, hip, leg straight, you see you have that cushion landing, not drop to the heel right away, yes. To try to go more from the front rather than side, again. 2, 30, forward, and feet should pivot. Anytime you close, the feet pivoting in place. Yeah, go 2, 30, forward, 2, 3. Look at my feet. See, they're pivoting and closing. And reclose. Yeah. Go. 2, 30. Forward. Use tummy, middle part. 2, 30. Forward. Now, next time, when you want to move, so here, you have to, number 1, increase rotation in the body. So in, rotate more. Number 2, heel up. Number 3, chest forward, and now we're going side. Always through the 2 ball of the feet. 2 ball of the feet. Now continue chest over the foot, heel goes down slowly. Now we release hip diagonally forward. Diagonally forward. So that's settling, that's the lowest part. Now from here, you're gonna activate your tummy again, like in our previous exercise. Tummy in, lift, rotate, till net to net position here. Time step. And 2, readjust your feet, and 30, now the same here. Number 1, more rotate. Number 2, heel up. Number 3, chest, pushing to the direction you'd like to go. So it's gonna be to your side. Walk, ball, release, and go 2, and 30, and forward. And anytime you move, you want, and 2, and 30, like here, ball to ball, say, you see, 2 ball, yes, chest over the leg, forward, and collect. Collecting is the most beautiful movement, should be, net to net, like this, beautiful, and 2, see this also, very good, and see where I touch you, that's where the start, 30, and now from here you have to charge your body, so rotate, chest forward, heel up, forward. Every step should go through this 2 ball of the foot position. That's the best way. And go a little bit faster. And 2, and 30, and ball, forward. And 2, and 30, and forward. Now if you would like to go, so this is settling, this is the lowest position. That's it. From here on, it's going to be higher. Now backward, when you go back, collect here. Feeling like this is pushing back, in and back. Send your hip back to ball of the foot, high hip. Now use your thigh to transfer the weight. Yes, release. And 30, release, lift, rotate. Now charge the heel to the side, forward, in. Now how to go forward? You have to go more stomach, more, no, this way. Now heel up, chest forward, and then you're falling, and then you're catching your body weight. Charge, fall and catch. Yes, on the ball of the foot. Ball, heel, 2, and 30, and go side, forward, beautiful, and back, 2 and 30, and forward, and 2 and 3, now backward, feel here, after you release that pendulum, feel like somebody push you in and back here, to collect foot to that famous position, net to net. Now from here, just lift your hip behind, high hip, right. Now continue pushing thigh back, that will transfer your weight. Release hip. 2 and 3, lift, rotate here. Now how to go forward, charge your heel. Make sure don't just step, you have to be charged, like your heel is up, chest forward, you're falling, catch your weight with the ball of the foot, right. Continue, 2 and 30 and forward, beautiful. 2 and 30 and forward, 2 and 3, forward, lift, rotate, net to net, now charge your heel up, heel up, chest forward, you're falling and catching your weight, right. 2 and 30 and for now, when you dance with me, use me as a table to help you to use your time. 2 and 3, forward, beautiful. 2 and 3, back. 2 and 3 and forward. 2 and 3 and forward. Beautiful technique. Try our choreography. Yeah, a little resistance. Yeah, now stop. Choreography, our routine.
So net to net?
Net to net always. Very high position. Arm here. Square shoulders. Right. Now start. 4-1. Raising on 2 ball of the foot. 4-1. Very good. Now extend your leg back with the high hip. High hip. That's your backward walk. Don't put your heel down until I give you this push.
Okay.
Yeah. One more time. 4-1. Extend your leg back. High hip. Then keep your arm here still. And then go. And 3, now lift, rotate, and step, and now here, catch yourself on that very high, you see that's too soon. When you're here, you catch yourself in this position. Net to net, plus heel up, like this. And then slowly, as you put your heel down, slowly get to this position.
Oh, okay.
Got it? But you have to, when I turn you, be on the 2 balls of the feet, net to net, like this. And then slowly put heel down. Don't try to get here right away. Yeah, so you want to show development. Very good. And go 4-1. Sending hip 2 and 30 and 4. Yeah, high here and gradually as yes, that's it. That's gonna be your way out. Use your timing here. Collect. Get out from here. There is a sense of developing position. Right. 4-1. A little bit feeling of pulling. 4-1, now you will step and 2, so 2 is a high hip, just ball of the foot behind, no, you're on the back, yes, here, and wait for my push, and 30, beautiful, release hip, and here, lift, rotate, 90 degree, forward, this position will be 90 degree, now here, time is very high, but heel is down, heel toe is down, now from here, use your stomach, very strong, to hip, twist, go, twist, and 2, make sure also at the end of the step you're always finishing that leg. Yes. And 30. And the same. Net to net, close legs. And slowly developing 4-1. 4-1, point your foot. And go back 2 and 3. Now sliding door, turn as much as you can. Forward. So more it's that way, better it is. Yes, forward. 2 and 3, forward. Now use that position to go cross. 2, our choreography is 3, forward walk. 4-1 now. Lift, rotate here. Now from here, charge your heel forward, chest forward, right. 4-1 and 2, develop position 2. Walk, knee up. From here, developing 2, 30, 4, yeah, here. Let me show you. Position number 1, then your timing going back, you straighten your leg. Now here, imagine somebody hit your stomach, you go, it's going high, then you do circle, put it down. From here, push from this leg, chest to the side, right. So try that. So try, knee up, down, knee up. Knee up, and make sure this position here, don't lift this hip, you have to be lifted the whole time. Yes.
Okay.
Now, time your back, straighten your, no, don't bend yet. tummy back, straight to your knees. So 2 legs should be straight now. Now from here, go. Yes. Very good. Now put it down. Now from here, push from foot to foot. Now reach like you're hugging. Turn your body. Leave your leg behind like a tail. Very good. Now develop this leg. Beautiful. You have to develop through the front. Right. Go high spiral. Tick, 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 tick. Use me as a table. Forward walk. 2, 3. Swivel. Hold 4, 1. Now fast. And 2, 3. And 4, 1. Beautiful. 2, 3. High, high, high spiral. So when you do spiral,
Oh, I didn't bring
make
this
sure
in.
bring
Yeah.
it in. Bring it in. Don't leave your leg behind. Yes. Yeah. Doing good? Yeah? And then swivels. Lift as the foot passing. Lift as high as you can. Yeah? To make it even more beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Go and go there. 2, 3. 4, 1. And 2. Beautiful. 3. Slow 1. 4, 1. Spiral. In that foot. Even. Yes. Better. On the nails. The foot should be on the nails.
Like that.
That's better. And step forward. 4, 1. Step forward. 2. Now very fast pivot on count 3. Build up here. 4, 1. Use me as a table now. Lift, rotate, overturn. 2 and 30 and 4, 1. Now forward walk. It's really a tight stomach. 2. No. You have to more like crossing walk. It's gonna be more crosses rather than swivel.
Oh, okay.
More crossing. Overturn, darling. And 2 overturn. Back. 30 and 4, 1. And go forward. Walk, walk, forward. 2 and 30 and lift, rotate. Here, net to net. Go forward and run, forward. Now here, when you
Oh, I
step here,
lean it.
yeah, leg first, then we gradually transfer, and as we release, our hip immediately correct forward. 2 and 3. 4, 1 and walk, walk forward. Now here, extend your leg back. Wait till I, with my neck, collect you. Back, walk, walk,